How to turn on dark mode on YouTube. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial we're showing you how to turn on dark mode on YouTube, switching the background to a darker color scheme for a more relaxed viewing experience. So, to turn on dark mode on YouTube, first, open the YouTube app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom left corner. Tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. It looks like a gear. From the settings, tap the General section. Underneath General, you'll see an option for Appearance. Tap on it. A menu will pop up. You'll see an option for Dark Theme. Just tap on it, and YouTube will switch to dark mode on your mobile device. As you can see, dark mode is now enabled. Whenever you want to turn off dark mode, just follow the same steps we showed you earlier, but this time choose the light theme option instead. That's all you need to do to turn on dark mode on YouTube. By following these steps, you can enjoy YouTube without feeling like you're being blinded by your screen. And this is how to turn on dark mode on YouTube. If you have any questions about turning on dark mode on YouTube, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.